Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In last video we have seen that how to insert the record into the table. In this video we will learn how to select the record from the table. Here is the syntax to select the record. Select star from table. So if we specify, if we want a specific column, a specific row, then there is a where clause we need to use. Let's see how we can do it in SQL Server. Select the database and click on new query. Write the query, select star from employee we have created. Just execute it. We will see that there are 3 rows. Now if we want a where clause to apply on a specific row where employee ID is equal to, so we need to specify which column we need here. Just select the query and execute. You can see that only selected row is visible now. Let's put 2. We can see the second employee ID is 2. We can see that. Now there is another query that we can specify the column name, and this will give you a specific column name. Let's say I just want employee name, not the employee ID, and specify the employee name here, and then select the query and execute it. We can see that it is selected only the specific column. So we can specify the column and we can see that the specific column as per our requirement. Now there is another way of getting the employee ID or the records from the employee table. If we want to use in, then if we specify in the bracket the ID which we want, we can get as many as we want here in the in queries. We need to specify in keyword and then specify the employee ID. It will give the specific employee ID for which we require. That's it from this video. Thank you for watching.